far I am. Got that welded. Using my little die grinder right here. On its side, I'm gonna run it along there, just like that. And that's how I'm gonna get that edge. Because I don't have a milling machine, that's how I think they did it. But either I'm not keeping the welds really close together or what, but I'm getting little holes. So, in this cast, so surprised the weld's even holding in there. It's not really for strength, it's more look, because it was cracked out right there in the half the bolt hole was. But I mean, not one bolt, I mean, there's that many others, so I don't know. And then we gotta drill that out, tap it, put a heat coil or a thread insert and see if it has threads, like all these other ones. Then we can probably wash this, degrease it, pressure wash it, and get it ready for primer. Oh, besides I still gotta pull out that bearing right there. Right there. Gotta pull out that bearing right there. So, alright. Catch you guys on the next one.